Good morning here. Oh, we're at sunny Stratford in London. As you can see, you've got foxes running around. We have London in all its morning glory. I was looking for some breakfast. Going through all the bins. Yeah. Basically, we come here flying the birds round a couple of times a week. We have a lot of problems here with pigeons and gulls on these buildings. It's typical, there's not many about this morning. But you'll be surprised. We'll have a look. We'll get the bird out. We'll start getting her fitted up with her gear. There's a few gulls in the background and it don't take long for them to spot the birds, our hawks. That's what we want. They start making out the alarm calls as soon as the gulls spot the hawks. They start making out their screams and their cries, and it just brings the attention to all the other birds and the pigeons that are around. Like I say, there's not a great deal about this morning, which is a good thing for us. So yeah, phone down. Got Heidi with us today. Morning, girl. Put you on the glove. So yeah, we've got Heidi with us today. Morning, girl. Say hello. You alright? We'll stick her up on the roof up here. And what we also got is our audible bird scarer, which is a valuable little tool of ours that we use. Got all the different settings on here that for the different species of birds that we might be trying to remove at the time. As you hear, that we're here for the gulls today. Quick little blast of that. I say there, you know, my ugly old mush. And you can hear the crows are now spotted her. See? Here comes a gull here, look. And what happens is you need these start to make a little we're out of the main gull season now. If you come around about May time, the sky's black with them. Some of you might have seen the videos in the past, but you can see we've got a few coming up in the background up there as well. Look, that's what happens. Once you get a few of these gulls start to make their alarm calls, it just upsets everything. Like I say, if you was to come around here in the breeding season, springtime, here we go, look, there they come. Here comes the herring gulls now. They're the ones that really make the racket. See him? The big one coming in now, that's about to poop all over me. See? So then the idea is what we will do is I'll fit Heidi here up with her furniture and all the telemetry, so she's all ready to go, and we go around onto the other side of this river and we fly around the birds around the rooftops. And once the birds get onto these rooftops and to these balconies, the pest birds really don't like it. like I say, used alongside the audible bird scarer. We've got things like laser pens and stuff that we use for the pigeons and that as well, and that is the idea. It unsettles these birds. Obviously we're out of the nesting season now, so, but even so, you come along and unsettle these birds, and it just makes these buildings an unsafe place for these birds to want to nest. They've all got flat rooftops, so it's perfect for the gulls especially. Come springtime, they just take over the rooftops. Then they turn aggressive to the people that live in the apartments, not to mention the mess that they cause. It's all natural methods, there's no poisons, there's no guns involved, there's no netting to the buildings, there's no spiking. So it's a win-win all round. So you've got a pair up there. That's the sort of thing, if left undisturbed, that pair would end up breeding on that building next spring. And then they return every year. Here comes it. To the same place to breed again. Yeah, these gulls even know my van now. They see me drive in this van. I've been coming here for so long that in the spring, they're swooping at the van almost instantly as I pull up, because they know what's inside. Which is this beautiful girl. She's a fine young Harris, 4-year-old female. She's from Philip Hussey. It's a brilliant, brilliant bird. So yeah, thank you, Philip. She's doing us proud. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get Heidi now fitted up. You see they're starting to disperse already now. And yeah, I'm gonna get her fitted up with her furniture and take her for a little fly and doing her thing. Anyway, have a nice day. You will take care. Bye now.